This is a review of car battery tester, 12 volt and 20 volts. You can use this in vehicle, out of vehicle, SOC, SOH, cranking test, charging test, volt, waveform, review, and print. Here are some of the features: 12 volts and 24 volts car and motorcycle batteries, and voltage, load, resistance, ripple test, cranking test, charging test, and data printing, white compatibility, anti-spark safe clips, one-click battery. Let's open it and see what we have inside the box. Here is the user manual. Here is the battery tester and USB-A to USB-C. We have two clips. We're gonna test this on my car and show you the results. Let's see the buttons. This is escape button and quick battery test. This is waveform. It's gonna tell you the real-time voltage and you can see the results here. This is OK button, left, right, up and down. When you do the connection, make sure positive is gonna go positive and negative is gonna go to negative. This is car, and you can do the quick test here. And the battery is in good shape and health, 100%, 100%. Let's go back, and when you press this, it's gonna show you the last result and review the form and delete the results. Let's go back, and if your car is 12 volt in vehicle, out of vehicle, if you're checking the battery inside the car, this is the option. But if you're taking out the battery and test it somewhere else, and this is the option. This is in vehicle. You can do battery test, cranking test, and charging test. Let's do the cranking test. It's already off, and right now we need to start the engine. Here are the cranking results, and let's go ahead and check the charging results. And right now it's testing. 3, 2, 1. It says increase the speed to 2500 RPM and hold for 10 seconds. Press OK to continue. Let's go ahead and do that. I'm increasing to 2500 for 10 seconds, and let's check the results. And here are the results after pressing OK. 3, 2, 1. The load is 13.93 volts. Let's continue. If you're connecting it to your laptop or computer, you can do it, or you can do the USB drive, and then you can print it. I can definitely suggest this product because it has so many options: car, motorcycle, waveform. Current is 18 volts. And when we start the car, it's gonna show. I will test the waveform. Let's see. And now you can see the current voltage. It's 18 volt. I can definitely suggest this product because it has 12 volts and 24 volts test in vehicle, out of vehicle. When you go to battery test, you can see there are so many options. When you choose that, then it's gonna show you the other options also. In cranking test, we already did that. In charging test, we also did that. And motorcycle, there is waveform, we already tested, and you can review right there. Last results, waveform and results. And you can also print it however you want or delete it. And there is settings. Key test, screen test, buzzer. Yes, we need the buzzer. That's why.